What's going on, everybody? Matthew with Roach Brothers Lawn Care here. Today we have the Echo PB-7910T Backpack blower. This backpack blower is a part of the Echo Pro X Series lineup for professionals or a homeowner that needs more of a powerful punch when it comes to blowing leaves. Right here, this backpack blower has the 79.9cc engine. It's pretty powerful. So right now, we're going to go over a few things and we're going to get some film out in the field with it. This backpack blower has a blowing power of 40 newtons. That's what it goes off of, not miles per hour, newtons, which is pretty good when it comes to blowing leaves. So let's get to it. So guys, when it comes to these backpack blowers, there's two things that are very important. It's your two-stage air filter and your large capacity fuel tank. The first thing with the fuel tank is it's see-through. So you can monitor your fuel levels throughout the day and keep an eye on it and fill it up as needed while you're working out in the field. The second thing is your two-stage air filter. These two-stage air filters provide extra protection to the engine. The exterior foam protector covers the main filter itself, which filters everything so it doesn't get through your engine. Whether you have dusty conditions, rainy conditions, any type of weather you're in, those air filters play a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Right here, I'll show you guys how to take off that air filter. It's a top knob and a bottom knob. One goes clockwise, one goes counterclockwise. Inside there's two parts. The first is your pre-stage filter, which protects the air filter itself. And to put it back on, same thing. Top knob goes clockwise, bottom knob goes counterclockwise. All Echo backpack blowers have a two-stage air filter, and this two-stage air filters will protect your engine throughout any condition you're working in. Cut. So guys, right here you're seeing the back plate. This is what's going to be on your back. There's a couple awesome features here on these Echo blowers. First is your comfort. All these straps, from the shoulder straps down to the back, are all padded. This padding will protect your back and help you get through the whole workday. Nothing is banging into you or digging into you as you're moving around, blowing leaves. It's all gonna protect your back and your body while you have this machine on your back. Next is the vented back pad. Right here, this whole back plate is vented. So while you're blowing and using this machine, it will keep you cool in those extreme temperatures. If it's 100 degrees out and you're blowing leaves or you're blowing grass, this back plate right here will keep you cool. All right guys, now your tube. This tube has 4 parts to it. This arm, this piece, and the extender with the tip. This tube has 2 hose clamps and a locking mechanism in both sections. A lot of professional grade backpack blowers are just 2 pieces. Sometimes the swivels break off or the tubes break from wear and tear and they don't last long. But Echo has this system to where these tubes are locked in place. Right up here, this tip locks in very tight to any setting you need. And then the piece below that locks in also. With that, you have your 2 hose clamps. So nothing is gonna shoot off or break off in operation. Safety first. And then one last thing I wanna touch on is your on-off and your cruise control. You'll see the stopping, which is the top notch. The middle is your on position, and you pull your cord. And last is cruise control. So you don't have to hold that throttle in for hours on end. If you go to cruise control, you can just let it ride. All right, everybody, final thoughts. This is a professional grade backpack blower. Whether you're working on a couple acres or less than an acre, this is the perfect blower for you. For a homeowner, it might be a little much, but if you're a homeowner that lives on a few acres, or you just need that extra power, this PB-7910T is the perfect blower for you. And we're gonna use it day in and day out in the field. We have been, and we're gonna continue doing so.